Hello guys, I am Samvid from Two Sons, and in today's video, I am going to show you how to make an awesome intro using your Android device within 2 minutes. So guys, without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, first of all open Play Store and download Legend Animate Text in Video. Then download it, and after downloading it, open it. So here there is a thought, so we don't need a thought, and write your YouTube channel name. For example, our YouTube channel name is YouTube Son, so we will write YouTube Son. So after that, click the tick button and play. Here are awesome intros you can select, like lines, display, dash, frame, etc. And for you can bring background to your intro also. For bringing background, you need to select the gallery option and select the background you want, like this background. And after that, select the crop it and click OK, and see the background has changed. Then again click play. Then here are our intro. For downloading it, you can save it as a GIF or as a video. Here for intro, we can save it as a video. Then let it download it, and guys, you can see your video like we are seeing it in video player. Open up gallery, then see Legend, then play it. See our intro. So guys, thank you for watching. If you liked our video, please hit that like and subscribe button. So guys, bye.